In today's video, I'll guide you on how you would be able to connect to Xfinity Wi-Fi on your Nintendo Switch. So let's get started. If you're trying to connect your Nintendo Switch to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot or public network, here's exactly how you can do it. I have a step-by-step guide. So now, step 1. You want to go into the system settings of your Nintendo Switch. So basically from your home screen, open the system settings, then scroll down to internet. And then from there, you should select Internet Settings. Now, your Switch will start searching for available networks. And then if you're within the range of the Xfinity Wi-Fi, then you basically would see it there. So just look for Xfinity Wi-Fi or any other Xfinity related network and then tap on it to connect. And the next step would be step 3. Wait for the login screen. After connecting, a browser window should pop up. If it doesn't, then open any game that tries to go online. This can trigger the login. And then you'll see the Xfinity login page. Now, you want to sign in with your login details or use a pass. So enter your Xfinity username and password, or if you're using a guest pass, then enter the code or purchase time. Once logged in, the screen will confirm your connection. And now lastly is that you want to test your connection, so go back into internet settings and run a connection test. If it says successful, then you are good to go. Just a tip though is that if the login page doesn't show up, try forgetting the network and then reconnecting again. So this basic troubleshooting tip. You can also restart the Switch or use another device to log in and share your hotspot. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.